Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in your Nissan Frontier. First, gather all your necessary tools and supplies, including a new oil filter, the correct type of engine oil, a drain pan, and wrenches. Ensure your engine is warm, but not hot, as this helps the oil drain more easily. Safety first, so always use jack stands if lifting the vehicle. Once you have your supplies ready, position a drain pan beneath the oil drain plug. Carefully loosen and remove the plug, allowing the old engine oil to flow freely into the pan. This process can take several minutes, so be patient and ensure all the old oil has drained out before moving on. Remember to properly dispose of the used oil. Now, remove the old oil filter using an oil filter wrench. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then give it about a quarter turn more. Reinstall the drain plug, tightening it firmly but without over-torquing. Finally, pour the recommended amount of new engine oil into the fill port. Typically, a Nissan Frontier takes about 5 quarts. After adding the oil, check the level using the dipstick. Start the engine for a minute or two, then shut it off and recheck the oil level and for any leaks around the filter and drain plug. Top off if needed.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.